first. All right, so this is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff, and we're going to talk about the M1 carbine of World War II. So this is a World War II M1 carbine. It's been rebuilt. Almost all of these have been rebuilt. It has a bayonet lug. If you see the bayonet lug on a gun, you know it's been rebuilt. There are no photographs of any M1 carbines during World War II with bayonet lugs. So anyhow, it's just straight up a regular run-of-the-mill M1 carbine. These were $80 back in the 60s. They're over $1,000 now. So it's got a 15-round magazine, and we're going to load it up and we're going to shoot it. So you can stop it. All right, so let's start shooting this little bird and see what happens. We're shooting about 50 yards or so, and it's only a 80-year-old rifle. If we can hit that 9-inch plate.